Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp oil. First, collect all your shrimp shells, heads, and tails. These parts hold the most flavor. Make sure your shrimp scraps are fresh and thoroughly cleaned. Next, select a neutral-flavored oil like vegetable or canola oil, as this will be the base for our infusion. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and flavorful process from the start. Now, let's infuse that oil. Place your shrimp scraps into a saucepan with your chosen oil, ensuring they are fully submerged. Gently sauté them over a low heat, allowing the flavors to slowly release. Continue cooking until the shells turn a vibrant red and your kitchen fills with a wonderful aroma. Once cooked, carefully strain the oil through a fine mesh sieve to remove all the solid shrimp pieces, leaving you with pure, flavorful oil. To elevate your shrimp oil, consider adding aromatics like minced garlic, ginger, or a pinch of chili flakes during the sautéing process for an extra layer of flavor. After straining, let the infused oil cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to a clean bottle or jar. For optimal freshness, store your homemade shrimp oil in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will keep well for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next culinary creation. Shrimp oil is incredibly versatile. Drizzle it over pasta, rice, or grilled seafood to add a rich, savory depth. It also makes an excellent base for stir-fries, soups, or marinades, infusing your dishes with a delightful seafood essence. This simple addition can truly transform your cooking. And hey, for more great deals and that awesome car freshener, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy experimenting with your homemade shrimp oil and elevating your meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.